Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to restart Monopoly Go. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to, let's just say, restart Monopoly Go here, and you're having some problems, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, first things first, if you're having problems with Monopoly Go, let's just say the game is not working, well, there's a high probability that the game is experiencing what we call server maintenance. Now, usually with server maintenance, you won't be able to access the game that much, so meaning updates are being applied and you'll be able to enjoy new content. Now, in this case, usually if that happens, the thing that you need to do here is you just need to wait for a while. Now, in this case, around 30 to a few hours, and they'll be able to apply those updates. Now, just to be sure, how do you exactly check if the servers for Monopoly Go is actually or is currently active? Well, you can go and just open up any browser, just type in Monopoly Go server status, and you want to go ahead and just access one of the following links here. Now, in this case, you want to go and just click on one of them. Like, for example, I'm going to use Game Bees here, and let's go and just see if the servers are running correctly. Now, in some cases, if you do see some issues like a red or any notification about systems are not normal or down, it means that, again, Monopoly Go is currently undergoing system maintenance, or they might have some background or back-end processes or problem. But yeah, another thing that you may want to do here, just in case, is you may want to check for updates regarding the app. So you want to open up Google Play Store here, go to your search, type in Monopoly Go, and if you do see any update button next to Monopoly Go, go and just press on it, wait for a while, and you can go ahead and just basically play the game again and see if that actually helps. Now, this is just an extra thing that you could do just in case this does not work for you. Well, you could try clearing your cache. Now, your cache is basically temporary files that is stored inside the game. Sometimes clearing them up can help you solve some problems. So in this case, you want to go and just press and hold on Monopoly Go. Go and click on the eye icon here next to the trash can icon. And you want to go ahead and click on clear data at the bottom right of your screen and click on clear cache. And okay. Now, once you've done that, that should basically help you a bit here. Go and open up Monopoly Go, but just in case, you could go and restart your phone again and see if that helps. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.